The future of making things presents an exciting opportunity to serve customers in ways never thought possible before. All new technologies, materials, operating environments, ecosystems, and manufacturing processes will need to be considered. An essential part of this change will be to enable companies to evaluate new ideas more quickly and flexibly than they do today, making the use of early and iterative simulation, whether from your desktop or the cloud, more crucial than ever. For this reason, as well as meeting customer demand and developing better products, our simulation products will improve molding, additive manufacturing processes, and overall product performance, resulting in increased innovation capacity and reduced warranty issues. Not only that, but by offering a proven technology with reliable and flexible offerings for designers, engineers, and analysts, Autodesk Simulation will allow you to both embrace innovation and implement design processes to differentiate, predict, validate, and optimize product performance, and ultimately deliver cost-effective products to customers faster. With Autodesk's extensive portfolio of simulation products, the future of making things is